For my second day here in St. Anne, I decided to do something a little different. Something you might not expect on your average Jamaican getaway. I went on a cannabis farm tour at Jacana Farms. Now, I wasn't entirely sure what I was getting myself into, but it was incredibly informative. I learned all about how organic cannabis is cultivated and grown right here in Jamaica. This wasn't just some quick peek either. We really got into the nitty-gritty of the process. And speaking of the highlight of the tour, believe it or not, it was learning how to roll a spliff. Now, for those who know me, you know I don't smoke, so I was a real rookie before this lesson. But hey, now I feel like a professional spliff roller. And it wasn't just about the ganja either. They have this amazing organic vegetable garden on the farm, and they use fever grass or lemongrass as an organic pesticide. How cool is that? Talk about sustainable living. Oh, and lunch was served too, which was definitely a plus after all that learning. Before I left, I even picked up some gummies to take home. You know, for a little taste of the island's natural goodness. So if you're ever in St. Anne and looking for an experience that's off the beaten path, something that will really open your eyes to the diverse agricultural landscape of Jamaica, a cannabis farm tour at Jacana Farms might just be for you. So what hidden gems do you think we should uncover next? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.